Point number 1. Compliance procedures are also known as test of controls. Compliance procedures are also known as test of controls. For example, bank reconciliation statement. Number second, substantive procedures involves application of vouching and verification, as well as analytical procedures. Next point. For every audit, the auditor should determine the nature, timing, and extent of audit procedures to be applied. Next point, mark this point as very, very important. It should be noted that much of the audit evidence available to the auditor is persuasive. This is the word. Is persuasive in nature. Rather than being conclusive in nature. I will explain. Don't worry. Last point. Through inquiry and inspection, the auditors attempt to obtain corroborative audit evidence. This is the word, corroborative. I will explain. First note this down. The auditors attempt to obtain corroborative audit evidence. Now certain new words have been used. Before I explain, give the meaning of these words. One is persuasive. So the meaning of persuasive is convincing. This is convincing. We will take example to establish it. It is convincing. Then the word is conclusive. The word is concrete, or you can say absolute. The word is corroborative. This is known as additional. See, in auditing terminology, the word additional is not used for audit evidences. The word is corroborative.